committed no crime and bad mistakes. I've made a few. I've had my shells and kicks in my face, but I've come through.
We are the champions, my friend. You better believe it. Champions today, trading in the Mojo Room. We're nothing but a Justice League of powerful superhero traders. Do you know most people don't know what a stopping station is? Most people use stops, though. It's not when you put in a stop order. See, most people say, what's a chart? Most traders say, what's a stopping station? We say, what's a chart? Most people say, what's a stopping station? Trader Abe is in Mojo University right now. He's learning how to make money as a businessman, person, machine. Best day. One of the best stocks, not the best stock, but one of the best trades right here on HTG Molecular Diagnostics that has happened. 2 days ago, we had the day when the market fell and UV got amazing and traders made the biggest day of the month. Today, I don't know if they topped that in one trade because we're set with certain parameters that I teach. So it's, you know, it's hard to lose and make a bunch. It's just very consistent, but it was the biggest move ever this month for sure out of any stock. Bigger than tops because tops went up very quickly. Better than dry ships because it moved the same amount. It's up 100% right now. And this is where we got it this morning. I feel really great not being stuck in this stock, SSH, right here, up from this morning's run. You could see it. Some people are stuck up here at 320. They're down 80 cents. This is a familiar scenario. A lot of people are stuck in that stock. Not the Moj. What are you trading? What are you stuck in? Holy crap. Look at that. Stealing candy from a baby. Oh, we're stealing candy from a baby. Ooh, look at all these. Yeah, I like it. I haven't seen these. Look at that. That's funny. He missed it. He missed the tap. So funny. It's funny. Yeah, boy. What's this? Oh, this is Vivain's. This is Mojo in the morning. This is us, guys. Like a machine. Oh yeah, bad boys. My honey put that out. Oh, now we got the whole team in there. Beautiful. See, that's how we rock and roll in the Mojo Room. So it was a cause for celebration. I'm going to show you the trades we did today. And we'll start from the beginning of the day. And by the way, if you have not seen the MOJO Day Trading website, there's a watch list on there that has this stock right up here. So if you go to watch list, it's right there. Look, you can sort by daily gain. HTGM, entry price 3, last price 430, daily gain 43.3%. I have to, this column, I gotta hide that column. That shouldn't be there. Let me see that one. Yeah, so it's showing the, this is the scalp right here. So that's the This is the daily. What is that? The daily. Daily scalp, I guess they would call it. Alexa, change the website. Put in Daily Scout above the column. Thank you. She did it. Look, Daily Scout. She's so good. Did you see Alexa just do that, guys? How quickly? Did you see that? How quickly she just changed the website? Just like that in 1 second. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Changed it in a second. Put Daily Scout there in 1 second. Ding! Love that. So I got this great, it shows you the mental stop, 10%. And on this kind of stock at $3, you'd have a 30-cent stop, about 270. So if it goes there, you get out. But you can ride the sucker up for 43%. This one's up 4. Daily high on this has been 365. It's 338, so you were up much more earlier. And these two right here are just floating around nothing. But the daily high in this one was 170. Got it at 150. This one 122 went to 126, but it's lower now at 115. This is actually a good one, the tops. And this is the watch list from this morning, HTGM, SSH, and what we traded. So I'd really, this page is coming along, real nice. By the way, MOJO University, the course that I taught last night was live, MOJO U1. The next one is in 40 days. Was one of the best MOJO U first classes that I have ever taught. The next one starts May 2nd. What we covered last night was establishing your business plan and process. That's what we did last night, this first thing. We did MOJO's lessons. We got up to 80% right here. This is what we did last night. It took 2 hours and 30 minutes to do lessons 1 to 5 last night. 2 hours and 30 minutes for that lesson. It was really good. Absolutely the best in MOJO University ever. Mike's $200 assistant is Alexa. Yeah, Alexa's on the spot, bro. But I have Alexa programmed with IBM Watson because I have Watson. I don't know if you see my computer. This is my computer right here. Let me show you this is my computer. Actually, I took a picture of my computer last night in the dark just to show it to some. Let me see if I have it right here. Where is it? Yeah, it's not, didn't come out really that great in the dark. With everything's lit up. Let me show you a better one. And here's my computer. Right here. That's my computer. Right here. And the Apollo. That's my computer. Here's the video right here. That's my computer. Right there. That's a badass machine. That's my computer right there. Nice pass on HTGM on the second round, huh? So MOJO University Live was strictly phenomenally great. If you want, you can actually go in and get one of these bundles and watch some of the previous classes of MOJO U. There's over 6 hours of video in every one of these individual lessons. They're $297 each. And what I've done is I've put them into bundles so you can get them at a discount. You should definitely check that out on the courses. This is my 18th MOJO University, I think, or 19th, something like that. Oh, the blue is very nice. Yeah, the lights and stuff. You want to see? I can take a picture of it right now. See, what they have is, and they messed it up. They have the MOJO logo. Look on my new one. Look, let me show you. Look. See, I don't know if you could see it. Let me see. See right here. You could see the MOJO logo is right on the cover. You see how they have it digitized, like engraved in the cover of the computer. So yeah, it's a MOJO Day Trading engraved on the computer. It's sick. Yeah. I'm gonna do a whole show though. I don't want to put these pictures up until I'm gonna do a whole show and unveiling on the computer. It's strictly set up for the high-tech day trading. How great are we that I passed on the 7th trade of HTGM, and the stock is so much lower. Told you. Feeling of greatness on the fold. You know what was cool? I was teaching last night. I was like bang, bang, bang. I was like teaching bang, 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 and then I'd go like this. I'd be like, the stock is feeling so nice. The chart, this is how you do it. You get involved on the first green tick. Hit it with the second green tick. Nail it with the third green tick. Knock it with the fourth green tick. A tick-a-tock, a ticky-ticky-tock, tock-tick-took. That's how I taught last night. You understand that? That's how I did it. You want to hear it again? The tick, the tick-tock, the took-tock-tick. You know what the took-tock, the tick-tock-tick is? If you don't, you won't win. How do you think I got HTGM? How do you think I knew not to do it now? From the tick-tock, the tick-tock, the took-tock, yeah. How'd I know that stock was going lower? Don't touch it here. It's not even good for 3 cents. That shizzle's going under $4. Okay? Okay? Don't mess around. Let me show you the biggest trade in history. Quite unbelievable. Let's add up the trades just like we did yesterday. Make believe you're in my room. Make believe you're one of these traders. All you have to do is buy whenever I post an image. You don't think about nothing, whether it's up, down, sideways, reverse, forward, neutral, bending over backwards, whatever the stock is, you're done. Okay? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Here's how we started the day. Let's bang this baby right over here so you can see a little bit of a bigger view of the MOJO Day Trading. By the way, we only have 41 traders left. I'd say 20 have already gone. We probably had 60 or so. These are all the pro traders. These are the traders. Some of them are in MOJO University, and these are my bots. And one of my bots is Air Horn. Hello, Air Horn. Okay, so it's 9:25 a.m. What we're going to do is we're going to take an entry PO. An entry PO. That would probably mean short for position of ENDP. And you can do 100 shares at 9.75. Goal, 2,000 shares. Target, $10 plus. Right there, see it? Easy to understand. Anybody can do it. Anyone can do it. So then we have VBLT, 926. See it? We're waiting for it to open because it only traded 9,000. This one traded, you'll see when it opens, a lot. SSSH right here, we had sold half. This was 303. So let's get the market to open. SSH right here, $3 now. Okay, boom, 295. See it? 290. So we're in SSH. Couple thousand. So go KKKK. That's what we're in. SSSH for a couple Ks. Okay? Average 294. Ready? Bought more. Buy. 304. There it goes. See it? 302. Money in the bank. See it? 306. See it? Money, money, money. So it went from 294 to a new high of 306. Okay? Then, see it? 293. Same mark we did it. Look, rebuy. So I put a picture up. You did it again. Couple seconds later, and you're in it again at 294 again, right at there at the same price. See? Then it went lower to 287. So you actually reduced your cost to 291. And then HTGM average 298. This was the first original trade of HTGM that we bought at like 280. Okay? So HTGM right there, half out at 309. So we from 280 to 310 is a 30-cent move. Nice. Got half left. Here's 310. Rebuy it. So whatever we sold right there, we're going to rebuy. HTGM. See? We're going to rebuy. So now we're in again at $3. Okay? In 6 minutes, Allen hit his goal. In 6 minutes. Amazing. So then we're going to rebuy because we sold SSH right here. This was a sell. We sold again for a small profit. Okay. So let's put up the cashes in. So we cashed in on 2 SSHs and an HTGM. And we have live ENDPs going to come into play, and we've cashed in on those. So this is our cashes. And then we're going to rebuy. Amazing, because we sold it way above 3 at 277. So we're in SSH again, couple Ks, couple K, little less K at 277. Okay? Okay, a little blah, blah, blah. Okay? There's the timestamp, 9:37 and 14 seconds, and you just pressed the button and bought that stock. See the stock? LKSD. We're going to buy it here at 22.40. LKSD. Watch how the stock gets crushed. In LKSD, watch, 100 shares, 22.40, goal 1,000, that would be amazing. Target 23 plus. Okay, watch. 937. ENDP traded 332,000 shares, and you're adding right here. Now you have 1,000 shares. Your average is 990. Okay? You're adding right here, right at 10, you have 2,000 shares. So ENDP, you're now in for 2,000. And your average is 992. And the goal, through 10, plus. Okay? Done. You're in HTGM, SSH, and ENDP. And right now, SSH is at 70 cents. It's down. We're looking maybe if it goes lower, we would take a small loss, rebuy it, and lower the cost average. If it does that, it held its ground. Buy more LKSD. It got destroyed. So my recommendation was $21.90. We're going to buy it and bump back out or take a small loss if situation prevails. See, bump it out back over. So right here you have LKSD. $100 at $22.45. So I told them to do 200 at $21.90 and below. Gives them a cost basis of 300 shares at $22.10. And that's the position. Hopefully it'll come back because it got destroyed. And that's LKSD right here. So right here off the open, it's up way higher. But off the open, that one bar, that's where we bought it. 21.76 right off stopping station, and it rebounded right back up to 23.15. So AUPH, we're in at around 862, 863. Entry position in AUPH. So 500 shares, 863. My average was actually 62. Then we added up here, so it went to 63. AUPH may be the big winner of the day. If it goes it could go $1. SSH sold, and then we're going to redo it again at 277. So SSH we sold the first time. So we cashed this one. It was a small profit, only a couple of pennies. It was probably 3 to 5 cents. I think it was actually 7 cents. It was 5 to 7 cents. I remember it went up higher, and then we got in it again at the same price. So I'll just leave that there. And then LKSD, there it is, sold. 22.20, right at break even. So out of the 300, 100 shares was sold right there at break even. Okay, and profitable. So this one, LKSD on 100 shares, even. You got 200 left. Okay. HTGM average is 291. Right there. See it? HTGM. High was earlier in the day. Nice to hit the trifecta. Absolute. AUPH got 3,000. LKSD moving 224. Added. That was on AUPH. LKSD 29. Okay? Done. Out of LKSD. See that? So this trade done. So this is the first one right here, was 22.10 break even, 22.29, and 20 and 44. Okay, stock went a lot higher. SSH right here, new trade, smaller, 268, 265, 266. Okay, and then sold it. So that's another SSH. On this one, we made less than 3 cents. It was not a big one. Okay, and it was less Ks. Every time we trade, it's less K. Okay, let's go to HTGM. Here it goes, 304, sold right there. Mojo, 304. So starting to sell HTGM right here, and we got 5,000 of those. So 1,000 gets sold right here at the 304. That's a nice $130 profit so far in the stock. Okay, Now, watch what happens to it. If it touches 11, it's going to go higher. AUPH, profitable at 875. Just took some profits and held some. Then HTGM, it touched 11. It's going to fly. This is one of the things that I teach in MOJO University about certain key kick. It's called like a kick point. Did you hear that? A kick point. A kick point. And 311 was our kick point. And winning never gets boring. And then Hulk came in at the kick point. And when Hulk comes in at the kick point, HTM ripped. So I flatted it. LSKD, flatted it. Okay? Then we got into this stock, CLVS, with a target of 69.60 and a target to go over 70. So AUPH, we profited. Made 150 bucks. All right, HTGM, we got 4,000 left. No, we sold that. Watch, this was sold. We're flat. We made another 300. We have ENDP. Okay, we've cashed on these. And now we're in CLVS, 100 shares, 69.60. Done. Okay, you ready? LKSD, 22.69. The stock just keeps on going, but we already sold it. 23.05. Traded it right through Hines. See that? It's another quick trade. So LKSD was a Hines for 100 bucks. Okay, amazing. Yes, amazing. It's an ATM. It's a silly ATM machine. So then we did SSH, a new trade at 256 to 257, smaller. Excuse me, folks. This helps me document how many trades that I do for the day as well when I go do the sheet. I like doing this. So this is SSH again. Oh, we haven't cashed on it yet. We're in up here on it at 255 from 268. Also not looking for much on that stock. Okay. Boom. Okay, so we have in SSH. And then CLVS is at 69.96 now in a profitable situation heading through Hines. Then we have ENDP right here going through 10. It's at 10.10. So we have a target right here and it's going through. So we're going to sell 500 ENDP. I'm going to sell 500 shares right here at 10.09. Done. Profited again. And that's 500 shares. Okay? And then right here, CLVS goes through 70. So CLVS right here is another profitable win on the add through. And at that point had 500 shares and the stock got sold right there. You see it's 70.09 on the ask. Another profitable win. And then SSH, profitable right here. Profitable right here, sold for another profit on SSH from 255 to 260 and plus. That's another win. That's another win for another 100 bucks. Okay? And then all trades were ending wave theories upon us. We're out of SSH. We missed JDST at 14.14. It went up 1 point. Holy shit. He has CLVS at 69.91. He only lost $37 because he missed the sell. He missed it when it went through. Sucks. SSH, here's your profit on SSH. Getting out of it, done. So Zoma, we're in right here. Never went through 7, and we're going to trade Zoma through 7. And we're just going to trade small because it's 346,000. So we go 500 shares of Zoma. And we're in right here at $7. Okay? And then the Dow's a sea of red. Now the Dow's up 87. Here goes new high a day. Keep it in rail grind on ENDP. Okay, so in the sequencing VRX right now, long at 1090. So VRX, we're long 500 right here at 1090. My goal 3,000. I'll add higher or lower, whichever way it goes. In the swing, we bought top ships at 115, 118 on top ships in the swing. That's a swing pick. Swing. I love it down here. Zoma sold and rebought 692. Soma went to 715. So Zoma went to 715. Didn't make much, 50 bucks, and then rebought it at 692. And then made money again on it, so whatever, another 10 bucks. Move on. Then we did right here CLVS. There it is, 69.80. Wasn't that bad at all. HTGM. We're in for a quick one. Buy it at 330. So HTGM, we're in it again. Right here. It hasn't gone higher. This is the high, like 330. It made a spike. So HTGM, we're in again at 330. And we'll add on the way up. Here it goes, 338. Sold money in the bank at 352. And we started selling there. Money in the bank on another successful, beautiful, and still have some HTGM. Here it goes, 57. Here it goes, 64. Okay? Amazing. Hold. It's going higher. 68. JDST from the 414. We missed it, but we did a Heinz trade going through 15 on JDST. So JDST is a 100 share entry at 1475. Then we did HTGM, you see it, 84, it's going higher, okay? Super, super, 93, sold, right there, amazing trade. So HTGM from 52, just sold the rest of it up there at 94, okay? To 94. That was the super duper of Maneuver. Amazing trading, and it's only 10:30 in the morning. 1 hour, you've done all those trades. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 trades in an hour. Then SSH, gone out of it. Done. JDST is about to go through 15. 1493, sold 1509 right here. JDST, another profit. Average, because we averaged up, it wasn't 75, it was 90. We sold it right there at 1509. Beautiful leveraged profit on that Heinz move right there. Very sweet. And then we got into tops for the swing, getting filled. Monster mash, action, absolutely. So we're going to trade HTGM one more time right here at 396 plus. We're in it again. Okay? HTGM, success isn't about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's lives. Okay? ENDP, new high of the day, 1015 out of ENDP right here. So this was some of the final sells on ENDP for a big cash. And then we have the final is 1019. There it is. See it? We're there, right there. It went through. We're done. Okay? BPMX was just something we were eyeing. HTGM did its Heinz, and we sold right there at 419 from 396. So this was another amazing trade that we did on HTGM. 419. Sold right there. Told everybody to sell it right there. All right, now we're even on AUPH. So AUPH at 862, out. Done. It went a little lower, so then it came back up. We're out, okay? This is the greatest trade room to be in. We just got in new trader, prop head. Welcome to the room, prop head. I gave him an avatar too. Where is he? He ain't here no more. Prop head. What a name. Prop head. No. prop head. Amazing. So he left. He goes like, dude, look, he just came in. He goes, it's a great room. I was just making some coffee, and then he left. So we're like, dude, he must have been really thirsty. But he came back, and then he joined for $14, $1 a day, less than the price of that cup of coffee. This coffee costs $2. Easy. So big. Stick my whole face in it. VRX, get ready to take a profit just on VRX. Here it goes, 98. CLVS, new high of the day, 70.24. Zoma, 679, made money in Zoma. So Zoma out of Zoma. HTGM, 423, gone with that. And that's what we do. So here's HTGM, we're done with that trade, 435. This is what we did. We traded it from 427 to 433 just now. So we did 427 to 434 plus. We just did that trade right there. Then we did it again and sold it again at 34 plus. Then we had, he's a river rafter, so that's his avatar, prop head. Right here is the end of HTGM, sold 39. Top Ships bought right here at 114. I bet that is the lowest print of the day. And Top Ships, no, it still is. It went to 112. Can you believe that? Stopping station. And then we have VRX Heinz right there. So VRX, you're profitable right now on VRX with that trade. On your 3,000 share, you made $500 on that trade. You just made 500 bucks on VRX. Great job. Then we finishing up the round. There's Alan's funny thing. Yeah, Vivain, Pro Trader Viv. She's from Belgium. We have people in 55 countries in the room. Pro Trader Ant, right up here, my man, who's an administrator. And there's a thing up here. He should be green. There it is. He's an administrator. He, with Gerardo and Pro Trader Heinz, helped admin the room. And me and Alan are the mods. Alan's been with me the longest. These guys also have been with me for years. It's going to be huge. And that's it. So we sold this HTGM right there. There it is, 77. And that's it. That's how we traded for the day. So we've done, let's see the trades. Here's the trades. We cashed on this. Went through 15. We did that. VRX cashed. Zoma cashed. CLVS cashed. And this one cashed. So our cashes, we did all these. And to tell you exactly how many of them are, we did 24 trades, and 24 trades correct. So I am going to go right here, and I will show you how I put in these numbers. Yesterday we did 23 out of 23. Well, today we did 24 out of 24. And that's what we've done. The last 3 days, we haven't lost on a pick. I did that here in the beginning, too, for 5 days. Here's the swing. Right here. Closed positions for the swing. All the blues are winners. We traded Nugget. Our biggest win right here was on CVRS, 62%. We went to, sold $1.35, $1.55, and $1.75. And that's how the selling goes. We sold dry ships $1.45, $1.50, and $1.55. We sold this one $10.50, went lower, $10.25 and $10. That's how all the sells go on every single situation. This one we sold at $18, $18.25. It reversed right back down at $18. That's how we do it. This one sold $1.25, $1.30, and then reversed $1.35. This one $2.09, $2.14, reversed back down under $2.09, sold at $2.05. It went under 2 and it went lower. $1.29, $1.34, $1.39. 130. There you go. 129, 132. And we're in tops. And that's how we got. These are the picks. 64 to 63, 11.9%. Very consistent. All Ken Slim picks. Real nice. Everyone's trading good. We did 24 cashes today. And before it felt like it was 5 o'clock. I can't believe it is 1 o'clock now. It feels like it's freaking so long. And that's what we did. So I want to wrap it up for today. There's nothing that can be more transparent and profitable than trading in this day trading room. Becoming a pro trader and making a living replacing or exceeding any prior income that you've ever had. Realizing that you're in control and it's not that difficult. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. I hope to see you tomorrow. Peace. Keep it profitable.